Hello everybody, my name is Beans on Toast, and today we're playing B-Swarm. We're playing B-Swarm later. I've been grinding this game with my friend Bagel for like a week. If y'all don't know Bagel, go subscribe to him. He the god. Fuck react to me saying my video got 204 views and 19 out of fucking no, just a profile picture that's funny. That is legit crazy. Oh, 205 now. Alright. I will show you day in the life of a B-Swarm player. I wake up, I log on the B-Swarm, and I personally just go to school. Then I get home from school after sweating my balls off in PE. I log on the B-Swarm after checking my YouTube. It's really fun. I log on the B-Swarm, and I realize, I have honey, and I go and turn that into honey. Then I go over here and mine the honey wraith. Why? Because I need the 700 honey. Not like I need the 700, but like, oh, it's actually 800. Then I go to turn up my sound, hear this, and regret my actions. Growing strange. I'll play B-Swarm for a bit. Pet this little froggy. Isn't that little froggy? Stop fucking running. I pop a little buff in the best field I have. I killed a Modo chick because of course he's always here whenever I'm here. You always get a few rage bees in. Hashtag rage bee gang. Whatever this kid has is like really damaging the Modo cheek. Oh, stinky worm. See, this guy is a true pro. He sweats his balls off just to kill a Modo chick, okay? That's how you know, okay? The way you tell to kill a Modo chick is if they kill it in less than a minute or two. Because you know they sweated their balls off after they do that. You always collect every bit of honey you can because you're broke as shit. Then you go down back to your little house. Or hive, I guess. I don't fucking know. Why the fuck is Onyx over there? Make your honey and go feed your bees some food. I personally like to feed them food that they food for, you know, because I personally do know. If you don't understand, what are you doing? And I go to buy a few sprouts because I really need them. I'll put the sprout in here because I really. Why am I talking in the third person? Anyways, I'm gonna go put this sprout down here after I kill this manti. Sprout. If you guys don't know what these do, this is what they do. Something I don't understand is how many pedophiles there are. Holy cow. I don't know why I'm talking about that, but like, you know, I'm confused. Is it that hard not to touch kids? Like, holy cow, bro. Thank God Peep is awesome, is keeping me up to date, I guess. Oh, Bagel! He might be trying to call right now. need all this I can get. I need so many pineapples. I don't need as much Oreo jelly, but like it'll be greatly appreciated. Alright, I should get enough. I should get as much as I need from this last one. Anyways, I almost choked earlier from drinking caffeine. If you don't know, which none of you probably should, I like Kickstarts. Now you might not know what that is, but it's Mountain Dew. It's a drink made by Mountain Dew. It's really yummy. Anyways, I almost killed myself on accident drinking it. Like literally a few minutes ago. I didn't swallow correctly, I guess. I don't know, man. I only need 3 more. I will get the royal jelly though, because I need it. Come on. No. Alright, well, let's go kill this one. Come on, bro, give me blue flower field. Yep, there we go. After this one's done, I'm probably gonna go gamble. Not in real life, of course, I'm underage, but like, I'm gonna go gamble. Whack it. Whack it. Oh, almost a whole one. Alright. Hashtag whack that thing into the whole gang. Oh, I didn't want to. Right now. Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't want to. When they at pond. Now I'm gonna have to whack it in here. Oh yeah. I hate this game. Hit it, bro. Thank you. If you guys are wondering why some of this is brown, it's because it's wet. And if I get land the ball in there, it's not going to give me any money. Alright, hopefully there's no big backs who want to eat all my blueberries and treats. Because I need all this. Not them. I do. I also need tickets, but like besides that, I just spent so many tickets. Oh! Yes! Free. I just got a free sprout. Put the mango down. This is from my winter arc. Oh, wait, there's pineapples. Damn it. Oh, the pineapples are down there. Yeah. Oh, I got another sprout. Sir, can you leave me alone? There you go. Sir, put the mango down. This is the moment talk. Put the mango down. Don't worry, guys. I got this. Man, I can't wait to wait another half a decade for the next update, for the next field to come out. Holy cow! Yeah, that's right. It's been actually 6 years since since the last field was in the game. Since they added the last field. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what gender it is. I don't care. No, I don't need anymore. I need one more sunflower seed. Ooh, wait. I might be able to get one here. Oh, I mean, gummy, I really need one of those, but like, new tickets too. Give me something I need. Ooh, royal jelly, I'll take that. Who am I kidding? I'm not gonna get nothing. I might as well just go dig up a leaf over here. Alright, I got it! Yeah! One bagel cola. Yeah, my friend Bagel, he's a little better than me. And I need 10 stingers. Sir, put the mango down. This is my way down. Put the mango down. Put the mango down. Where the fried chicken is the stingers? We might be over here. Yeah, I might as well just call upon Honey Storm. There's some people who bust that sound, I swear. I'm not saying that is, actually no, that is a joke, but like, people make jokes about it. Huh, where are those stingers? Stingers, where are they? Oh yeah, guys, if you don't play this game, it is totally worth it to buy those royal jellies with your 6 tickets. Like 100% worth it. Take my word on it. Trust, I will always lie. Wait, I mean, understand them. Where are the stingers? It might be crazy what I'm about to say, but I really need those stingers anyways. Ah, you thought I was gonna say it. I'm not gonna say the whole song. I'm gonna get monetized. Where? I'm sorry, Vicious Bee, but I'm gonna need you to die. I get stingers from you, and I really need those. Oh, bigger! Bigger! Oh, and it's level 6. Yeah, it's quite high level. Ow, that's not nice. You shouldn't be. Stop playing with those sharp objects. It's just dangerous. Alright, and he's dead. Oh, 5 stingers! I need to buy them now. I only need to buy 5, but oh, 2, 3. I only need to buy 3. I know where they are. Experienced players say I'm stupid as hell, but they ain't wrong. I don't care if that was like a scam. Gummy mask! Holy cow, Bumblebee, you don't need to be taking forever for that. Meow. Well, I'll get that later. Like right now. I'm getting an upgrade. Oh yeah, now check me out. After this one breaks, I'ma end the video. Stop grinding pine, please become a cactus. Have you ever just like Honey storm? Oh, finally. Oh, we're getting a little broke. I only get $8 million. Anyways, next time I get a better weapon, you know, whatever it's called, rake, or no, it's not a rake, it's a better harvesting. Oh, fuck. Have you ever just like fried chicken? Like fried the chicken like in the chicken front? Yeah, I'm stupid as hell. That's a lie. I'm actually pretty smart. That's not a lie. Bro, today in math, we went to the library and we did like a little breakout box. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically like a 5-lock box that you have to open using clues and like whatever the subject the teacher chose. We did math because it was a math class. And my team went Bagel, Speedy Easy Bricks, Capital E, and me. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, so I can't say his name. My team was the first to break out, and it took like the other teams like 10 extra minutes to get to us. Dog, when we broke up, the second place guys, they had 3 locks still on. If Bagel did his math a little better, we would have broken out a little bit sooner. Because 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, which would make the first digit 3. Then he said it was 4. But you know, we still won at the end of the day, it don't matter. Oh, so it's like an 8-second difference. Honey bun. Oh, there's so many gifteds. So many giraffes. If you guys don't know what these do, they're buffs. I forget what the buffs are. Let me look. Yeah, I have a giraffe. Plus 10 conversion rate and 5 tickets. Minimum. I got the worst out of all of them. Alright, young blood, after I feed you guys, I'm going to end the vid. Alright, strawberry. There's my second rage bee. No! Ninja bee. You don't like that? I'm gonna find where you live. Rage bee. And rage bee. Eight to 8 is ready for Mother Bear. Wait, what? I completed a quest? Oh, I guess I did. Ooh, that's decent. Go talk to Honeybee. Oh, yeah. Alright, after I talk to Honeybee. Honeybee, I'm coming toward you. Bro, no. Scorpions, I know exactly where they spawn. I think. Hold on, let me go kill the 2 scorpions real quick. Yeah, I know where they spawn. If there's a quest that requires this field only, I'll keep recording. Well, looks like this is where the video to end. I will see you guys next time. Sigma. Subscribe or like the video, or even comment. I like comments more than likes, okay? Anyways, see ya. Maybe subscribe.